Hello my spookling friends! Today I'm going to be making a video about my Halloween stash and how I go through it and how I pull things out to use every year. So I pulled down all of my bins. This is all of my Halloween collection. I know it doesn't seem like much, but there's a lot in there. So I have it organized by just basically Halloween everything, and then all my papers are in here, and then I have two of these bins of like embellishments and die cuts and random things that I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna have to minimize, and yeah, that's gonna take a while. And then I have this bin of more like 3D items, you know, like hats and things to alter, and like threads and bells and just a bunch of different things that is Halloween as well, but like skeletons and googly eyes, just too much stuff that I don't put in there. So I'm gonna go through this and I'm gonna film my process as I go through it. I don't even know how I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna kind of wing it, and I'm just gonna go through my stash. I thought this would be a fun video for you guys, some inspiration to see how I do it and how I pull things together. And yeah, I hope you enjoy and stick around. See ya soon. Okay, so I got you high up here so that I can show you my process. This is the bin that I'm gonna put away all the things I want to use for this year, and we'll go through this. So let's get started. So I pulled out different things that I'm going to want to use for projects and my Halloween crafts, and then other items that I'm going to be pulling out of here for October dailies. So I'm going to be making two different stashes, an October daily stash and a everyday Halloween project stash, and Happy Mail and stuff like that. So when I start my October daily stash, I'll show you guys what I'm doing. Now I am going to go through these two bins of Halloween crap. I'm really not looking forward to this. I also have this, which is pretty much the same Halloween crap. It's not crap, I love everything. I've gone through my stash countless of times. I've gotten rid of so many things. I have a box full of stuff actually that I'm gonna de-stash. So I keep going through all this. It's kind of fun. I kind of have everything mixed here, but I will be organizing it separately by collection. This is gonna take me forever, and I kind of just want to start scrapbooking and crafting for Halloween, but anyway, this is gonna be fun. I'm gonna put on some music and I'm gonna get started. So let's do this. So here I'm just organizing through the die cuts, and the stuff that I'm putting on top are the things that I'm gonna want to use this year. And the stuff to the left are all pastel and just more die cuts and stuff like that. So I'm organizing in this little bin here. This case has more embellishments and stickers and little one-off items, so I'm going through this, and the stuff that I'm putting to the left are the items that I'm going to want to use this year, and the stuff that I'm throwing on top of the lid are things that I'm not going to want to use, and stuff that I still have to organize. I ended up putting all the tags together and all the stickers and collections together. So I'm still going to organize this, but this is just the stuff that I'm not going to be using. Next, I'm going through the bigger bin that I had with more 3D elements and different type of crafty Halloween supplies, and I'm going through that and picking out some stuff that I want to use. That I put together, and I'm gonna go through and show you what I pulled. I still haven't divided it really all that much for my October daily. Probably end up doing that a little bit later down the line. I'll go through my papers and you know, do all that stuff, and I'll definitely have a video for you guys when I get to organizing for my October daily. And I'm just gonna go through it and show you everything and kind of explain to you why I pulled it out and give you an idea of what I was thinking and where my head's at. Pulled out a lot of embellishments like these bows. A lot of these things are for decorating Happy Mail and projects like that. I have this half-used sticker sheet, again from Target many years ago. I pulled out a lot of different embellishments, like I said, just because I want to make a dent in these things. So just stickers. I have this sticker sheet of different Target stickers from last year. Sticker book, I mean. These are all of my collection stuff. So my Jeepers Creepers, my October Nights like this, my spooky pastel, die cuts, word phrases, even stamps. Like this is my stamp set that I stamped on some watercolor paper. So everything vellum. It's all in here, and I had everything separated, everything mixed together with other stuff, but I decided to go through everything and make a specific set just for my paper cakes collection pieces, so I know where to go first. It's all in here. Another sticker sheet from Michaels, super old. I got these last year. This is from Michaels as well. Another sticker pack. Well, this is washi, and it's like a couple years old as well. I'm hoping to make a dent in this somehow, use up a lot of this stuff. I got pom-poms. I have 2 packs of pom-poms actually, because I got these last year. These are from Dollarama. These are from Dollar Tree. I like the Dollar Tree ones more, but I got these because it's fun to decorate, you know, when you get sent out some Happy Mail, or I can do a fun little project with these. So I just pull them out so I know to use them. And I have these embellishment medallions that my friend Serena made for me, so I can use them in Happy Mail. I'm thinking of doing a project, a spooky pastel project, so that's why I have a project in mind for those medallions. These are some leaves I've had in my stash. Target vellum pumpkins that you all have seen last year. These are from Michaels. I love these skulls. Again, this I pulled out just because if I ever have to like decorate Happy Mail or like this, you know, the packaging or whatever, I'll use some of these stickers up, because I have a lot, so I just want to get rid of them. This is from, I picked it up in my European trip, and I took it out just because of this little guy here. It looks like Harry Potter, and I was going to draw like little glasses on him because I will be going to Universal, so I'm hoping I can use him in my October daily. These are some tassels that I got from my friend Serena in our first Halloween swap. These are adorable like rhinestone pumpkins, and I have bats in the black and purple, which are in my embellishment box for like my rhinestones, so I'll just have to pull them out after. Got this from Danny, and they're super cute. I got these also in a Happy Mail, and they're super cute. I thought maybe I can use some of these things up to decorate whatever. This is After Dark, so hopefully I can use this up. I like to incorporate cards in my October daily, so I have 2 different card styles here that I got last year. So I just, you know, again, this is for October daily. I'll separate it once I get there. More stickers, a pocket. I love these ghosts. I kind of wish I had bought a second pack. So I'm kind of hoarding these, but I'll use a couple here and there, especially in my October daily. This reminds me of Professor McGonagall's hat. I might use it for Universal, stuff like that. These tassels I might want to use. I also have these tassels that I recently picked up at Michael's. I thought they were really cute to hang off of a project. I don't want to give too much away, but I have a couple of ideas lined up for projects for my YouTube channel, so I thought I can use that. Oh, this Pebble sticker sheet I pull out every year, and it's almost done if you think about it, but I just find it hard to use now. They're just like really kiddish, so I don't know. We'll see. If not, I'll use it to decorate some Happy Mail. These are some Mambi bats. I pulled these out because I will be going to Disney, so hopefully I can use these in my October daily as well. These are giant spiderweb doilies. These are pipe cleaners, and I have an idea of, like, it came with the pom-poms, but I had an idea of like curling up like this, and then when you do a Happy Mail box, like just throwing it in there to decorate the box, so that's why it's here. Embellishments like these 3D ones, some bows, Tim Holtz stickers. These are I got in Europe. They're really adorable. It's a banner, but I just cut off little pieces and use them as embellishments. I absolutely love these. Like, this would be so cute on the cover of some Happy Mail, right? So I have this half-used sticker sheet from last year's spooky night. Beautiful night, sorry. These are my sticker sheets, PAPERCAKES. So I combined my first collection, which is Jeepers Creepers, which are some of these stickers here, and I combined it with my October night stickers. So some more embellishments that Serena made me, stickers, these stars, I used them last year and I want to finish them up this year. Rub-on stickers from Pop This Paper. We collaborated, my first time ever designing a collection. And so she made these stickers and she sent me a bunch to put in my kits, and I still have some left over, so I'm going to be using these. I use them every year. Again, a bigger element piece for a bigger element project I want to make. So again, stickers, and yeah, just a bunch of different stickers and embellishments and all these things. I pulled this out because, again, project idea. I'm not going to get into it, but I might use this, or if not, I'll use it for decorating, whatever. So yeah, all these rhinestone pieces, all these stickers, these are all from Michael's. And then these are some stickers from, I think it was Beautiful Nights. There's orange foam with black glitter. I went through all of those bins and pulled out what I want to use, and then I organized it all. So I have in here dimensional pieces like bells and skull hands and wood pieces. I have tags, I have die cuts. All the die cuts are in here. Then I separated all the collections, all the ephemera, because I had it all mixed together, but I separated it all and put them all in little baggies like this. I think this is just a lot more organized, a lot more cleaner and ready to go. And then I have some random things, tickets and papers and a leaf, you know, for a shaker pocket or something. I wish I had more of these because it would be really cute to like scatter them around on like a hoop mail or something. And then these are the tags I made last year for my memory web. If you guys want to see the tutorial, I'll link it down below. And I thought I can use these. I've already started using them in my October daily last year. So either I'll decorate my room with them, or they're ready to go and put in Happy Mail. That is what I have pulled out for this year. And again, I'm not limited to all of this. Like, if I want to go into my stash, I can. This is just easier for me, and I really recommend that you all do something like this when you want to do some Halloween projects, or if you want to make a kit for your October daily. It's super important. That way you have everything pulled out that you know you want to use, ready to go. And that way it's easier if you want to go through your stash to pick something out that you forgot, or something you want to use, because you have less stuff to go through. So that is just my 2 cents. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and seeing how I put my kits together. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I'll make sure to answer them. I ask on my Facebook group, so if you're not part of my Facebook groups, I'll link them down below. Hope you guys can join them. I have a Halloween one and an October daily one, and then my usual Serena B and the Crafty Rebels, because you guys are my rebels. I love you all. If you guys want to make some video recommendations. I'm all open to hear what you want to see from me. I asked on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, everywhere, what do you guys want to see? And I've taken note of everything you guys had asked for, and I will pretty much deliver on all of those. So if you have any requests for anything from me, leave them down below. I'd love to hear from you because I do make these videos for you guys. I hope you enjoy them and hope you guys get some inspiration from them. I will be doing things a little bit differently this year. Last year I focused my Halloween series solely on Happy Mail, and this year I'm going to be just making it Halloween general. So there'll be some crafty videos, there'll be some tag videos, maybe even some vlogs, we'll see. So I'm making just a general Halloween series this year on my channel, and I hope you guys enjoy and stick around. And these are my favorite types of projects to make. I love making Halloween projects, cards, you name it. I just love it so much. So it is the season and I'm so excited. I can't wait. I'm going to try and get as many videos for you guys as possible. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and click the notification bell so that you are notified when I have a new video up. But I do put videos out every Saturday. So this is my Halloween stash. I'd love to see your stash, so if you are on Instagram, don't forget to tag me, or you can add photos of your Halloween stash to my Facebook groups. Again, links are down below, and I can't wait to see what you guys pull out for this year. So hope you guys have a spooky day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!